So ek magar means crocodile. Ek means one. Magar means crocodile. There is a crocodile in a river near the forest. Okay, jungle. Jungle means forest. के पास. जंगल के पास means near the forest. नदी में रहता था. नदी means river. नदी को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? रिवर. रहता था means lived. There is a crocodile lived in a river near the forest. I'm going to repeat one more time. Listen carefully, dears. Magar means crocodile. Yes, magar means crocodile. जंगल के पास, इसका मीनिंग क्या है मालूम है आपको? नियर द फॉरेस्ट. जंगल के पास मीन्स नियर द फॉरेस्ट. नदी मीन्स रिवर. नदी माने क्या है? रिवर. रहता था मीन्स लिव्ड. पास्ट टेंस. यस. एक नगर में, सॉरी फॉर डिस्टर्बेंस हियर. So what happened? In a village there is a crocodile lived in a river. Okay, shall we repeat one more time in Hindi? एक मगर जंगल के पास नदी में रहता था. Okay, so next. So this is the meaning of the first two lines. Okay, magar means crocodile. Jungle means forest. Jungle माने क्या है? Forest. Pass means near the forest there is a river. In that river there is a crocodile lived in that river. Nadi means क्या है? River. रहता था. Mute your mic. Yes. रहता था means lived. Okay. I hope you all understood. Yes. The next. उस जंगल में.
Not clear.
Kindly check your net connection, dear. My phone volume is full only. Okay, kindly check your net connection. उस जंगल में एक गीदड़.
Here, Nikhil, 1E. Here's your mic.
Yes. उस जंगल में एक गीदड़. Repeat after me, dears. Repeat after me. उस जंगल में एक गीदड़ पानी पीने गया. One more time. उस जंगल में एक गीदड़ पानी पीने गया. वह नदी में घुसकर पानी पीने लगा. So what happened? उस जंगल में, in that forest, एक गीदड़ means fox. The fox पानी पीने गया. He want to drink the water, so that he went to that forest, because near the forest there is a river, right? So the fox wants to drink the water. पानी पीने गया means he wants to drink the water. So what happened? वह नदी में घुसकर, he went inside the river, पानी पीने लगा. The fox गीदड़ started drinking water. So ma'am is going to repeat one more time. उस जंगल means in that forest where there is a river, and the crocodile was lived in the forest, right? Sorry, crocodile lived in that river. So in that river, गीदड़ ने क्या कहा? गीदड़ को क्या चाहिए था? गीदड़ को पानी पीने गया. So he wants to drink water. So he went to that forest. वह नदी में घुसकर पानी पीने लगा. So he went to the river. So he saw the water and the गीदड़ started drinking water. See dears, गीदड़ माने क्या है? गीदड़ माने fox. Okay, chatur means clever. Okay, till if you have any doubt, kindly text a message in chat box. What is the story name? कहानी का नाम क्या है? इस पाठ का नाम क्या है? I want answer in the chat box. इस कहानी का नाम क्या है? Clever fox. Yes, clever fox. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? क्लेवर फॉक्स की हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? क्लेवर फॉक्स को हिंदी में यस चतुर गीदड़. यस. क्रोकोडाइल माने क्या है? Where the crocodile lived dear? क्रोकोडाइल मगर. वो कहाँ रहता था? नदी में. यस, नदी में रहता था. So who wants to drink the water? Who feeling thirsty? Who wants to drink the water? Yes, fox. Fox को yes, fox को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? गीदड़. Yes. Yes. So you have till this you don't have any doubt, right? Shall we proceed? Yes. So next, what is that? मगर ने उसे देखा. मगर ने उसे देखा और उसकी टांग पकड़ ली. So what happened? मगर ने उसे देखा means fox को. So see that मगर was also living in that river. So the fox didn't saw the crocodile. So he started drinking water, right? The fox started drinking water. So what happened? The magar came, the crocodile came, and what happened? He caught the leg of the fox. Okay, can you see this picture? See, with his mouth, crocodile with his mouth, he caught the leg of the fox. Okay, see, magar ने उसे देखा. Magar ने means crocodile saw the fox and उसकी means his leg, उसकी टांग. fox की टांग means leg. टांग को हिंदी इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? leg. ओके, पकड़ ली, caught. ओके, ना क्या हुआ? पकड़ ली, caught. ओके, मगर ने उसे देखा. Crocodile saw the fox and he caught the leg of the fox. So what happened? Shall we see? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. Repeat after me dears. गीदड़ हंसने लगा. वह बोला, मामा जी आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है. क्या बोला उसने? मामा जी आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है, ये मेरी टांग नहीं है. So see, fox was very clever. Okay, he did not feared. Okay, because if anybody will suppose crocodile caught the leg, other animals what they will do? They will become very fear and they will not think. But this गीदड़ was very clever. चतुर है गीदड़. So उसने क्या कहा? मामा जी. He called the crocodile like Mama ji. Okay, Mama ji, you caught the stick. You did not caught my leg. What he said? आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है. लकड़ी means stick. Okay, You caught the stick, not my leg. What he said? ये मेरी टांग नहीं है. This is not my leg. You caught the stick. See how the Gidar was very clever. But the crocodile caught only he caught leg only. But the clever, because inside the leg was inside the water. So crocodile can't see. Okay. Okay. So what the fox said? You caught the stick, not my leg. Shall we repeat one more time? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. वह बोला, मामा जी आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है, ये मेरी टांग नहीं है. So what happened? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. हा 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 हा. हंसने लगा. वो बोला, मामा जी. He called the crocodile by the name Mama Ji. Okay. By laughing, he said, Mama Ji, you caught the stick, not my leg. Lakdi means stick. Pakdi means caught. Okay. ये मेरी टांग नहीं है. Means टांग means leg. This is not my leg. Okay. Shall we repeat one more time in dears? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. वह बोला, मामा जी आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है, यह मेरी टांग नहीं है. Yes. See how the clever how Gidar was clever. Okay. So what happened? दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई. दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई. मगर ने उसकी टांग छोड़ दी. मगर ने उसकी टांग छोड़ दी. वह पानी से बाहर आ गया. वह पानी से बाहर आ गया. वह जंगल से बाहर भाग गया. Yes, what happened? The fox said, see, you caught the stick, not my leg. Yes, fox has you have 4 legs. So what he did, you caught stick only. So he showed the fox showed the another leg. दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई. Don't send annotation request here. So उसने क्या fox what fox did? He showed the fox showed the another leg to crocodile. See, you caught the stick, not my leg. See, my leg is here. So then what crocodile did? मगर ने उसकी टांग छोड़ दी. So what he did? Yes, I caught the stick. I can't eat. So what he did? उसने टांग छोड़ दी. So he released the from his mouth. He throw the stick because he doesn't want to eat the stick. Crocodile will eat the stick? No, only meat. So he thought that it was a stick. So he released. Okay. So what happened? So he released. So what happened? The fox came outside of the river. टांग छोड़ दी. वह पानी से बाहर आ गया. The fox पानी से बाहर आ गया means he came out from the river. पानी means water. He came out from the water. वह जंगल से बाहर भाग गया. So he ran. The Gidar ran away from the jungle. Yes, he ran away from the jungle. See, I am going to repeat one more time. Listen carefully, dears. दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई. So what happened? He told that he caught the Mama ji, आपने he caught the stick, not my leg. So the fox showed the another leg. लोमड़ी ने उसने दूसरा टांग दिखाया. Okay, so what happened? The crocodile thought, why I can't eat stick? So he released that stick by he released the leg by thinking that it was a stick. So what happened? So as soon as the fox came out from the water, so and he ran away from the jungle. See, दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई. The fox showed the another leg. मगर ने उसकी टांग छोड़ दी. He released the leg by thinking that it was a stick, but it was a stick. It is a stick? No, it is a leg only. So what happened? As soon as the crocodile released the leg, the fox came out from the water, came out from the river and ran away from the jungle, ran away from the forest. बाहर आ गया, वह जंगल से बाहर भाग गया. He ran away because it was danger there. Yes. So how cleverly Gidad escaped from the crocodile, right? Yes. So we should not fear for anything. We should think wisely. Okay. We should think wisely. We should not fear. Okay, dears. Yes. Shall we now? I'm going to repeat one more time from first to last, and then I'm going to ask you questions. Okay. This is चतुर गीदड़. पाठ का नाम क्या है? पाठ का नाम क्या है? चतुर गीदड़. एक मगर जंगल के पास नदी में रहता था. So in a river, a crocodile was lived in a river near the forest. Okay. What happened? एक मगर means crocodile. जंगल माने forest. पास माने क्या है? near. Okay, पास माने near. फार को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? फार. So near. What is the opposite for far? You can give answer in English also, no problem. Yes. दूर माने far. Yes. पास का opposite क्या है? far. नदी माने river में रहता था, lived. Okay. So in a river there is a crocodile. Okay. Near the forest. This is the meaning for the first two lines. मगर माने क्या है? crocodile. मगर माने क्या है? crocodile. जंगल माने forest. जंगल माने क्या है? forest. पास near. नदी माने river. रहता था lived. Okay, dears. And then the next line. So उस जंगल में एक गीदड़ पानी पीने गया. So what happened in that forest? A गीदड़, fox, went to drink water. कौन सा जंगल में? Which jungle? See, there is a jungle where crocodile was lived in a river. So in that river only fox went to drink water. Pani peene gaya means he wants to drink water. So he went to drink water. Pani means water. Peene to drink. Gaya means went. Okay. नदी में घुसकर so पानी पीने लगा. So he reached the river. So he enter he so okay he reached the river and he started. So the fox was drinking the water because he was feeling thirsty. So that only he Gidad came to drink water. So, okay, after reaching the river, Gidad was drinking water. Okay, Gidad was drinking water. So shall we see the meaning? Yes, dears. Gidad, sorry, Gidad, jackal. Yes, it is a one type. It is a one type of fox, right? Gidad means jackal. Pani. Pani means water. Peene means to drink. Okay, to drink. P. कहाँ गया? See here. P nadi, that river. In that river, so he reached the river and started drinking water. Guskar means bantering. Okay, he reached, right? So he reached and he started drinking water. Okay, dears. So what happened? मगर ने उसे देखा. मगर ने किसे देखा? जैकल. यस, मगर ने जैकल को देखा और उसने क्या किया? So what crocodile did? He caught the leg. He caught the one leg of the jackal. उसने टांग पकड़ ली. He caught. पकड़ ली means caught. Okay. So next what happened? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. See, crocodile caught the leg, but the गीदड़ was very brave and clever. So गीदड़ ने क्या बोला? गीदड़ को भय नहीं आया. He doesn't feel fear because the crocodile was caught one of the leg, right? So, but he was very brave. गीदड़ बहुत चतुर था. Yes, so was very clever. Gidad was very clever, and you know what he did? He started laughing. Ha ha ha, Mama ji. So by laughing and by doing the बोला. गीदड़ हंसने लगा. He started laughing. गीदड़ started laughing. वह बोला. गीदड़ ने बोला. गीदड़ said, मामा जी, आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है. So see what he are doing. He making a joke of the crocodile. He called the mama ji. Mama ji means uncle. He called the uncle. So he making a joke of the crocodile. Yes, uncle, you caught the stick, not my leg. What the Gidad said? You caught the stick, not my leg. वह बोला, मामा जी, आपने लकड़ी पकड़ी है. You caught the stick. लकड़ी means stick. पकड़ी है, caught. ये मेरा टांग नहीं है. This is not my leg. See how the Gidad was clever and brave. Okay, so I want all my children be clever and brave. You should not fear for anything. Okay, dears. This is the meaning. हंसने लगा. So Gidad started laughing, right? उसने बोला. He told. मामा जी means uncle जी. Okay. आपने means you. लकड़ी is a stick. It's a wood stick, right? See, in a jungle there is a number of sticks will be there, right? Wood sticks. Yes, yes. पकड़ी, caught. So ये मेरा टांग नहीं है. मेरी टांग. मेरी means this is not my. मेरी means my. Okay. So next what happened? दूसरी उसने टांग दिखाई. So what happened? This is not my leg. See, this is my leg. So गीदड़ started showing the another leg. मगर ने उसकी उसकी टांग छोड़ दी. Yes, so what did crocodile, what मगर did? So she released the मगर ने टांग छोड़ दी. He released the leg by thinking that it was not a leg, just it is a stick. It is a wood stick. So as soon as the crocodile released his leg, the geethard came out from the river. Jackal came out from the river and ran away from the jungle. Ran away from the jungle because the jungle was very danger for jackal, right? So he ran away. This is dusri tongue. Second, this is another leg was there. Yes, dikai means see this is he showed. Choddi. Choddi means released or give up. Okay. Bahar. So as soon as the crocodile released the leg of the jackal, what happened? What the geether did? He came out from the river. Bahar aa gaya means he came out outside from the river. Bhag means ran away from the jungle. Yes, dears, ran away from the jungle. So till now, you have any doubt, dears? Sorry, ma'am, because we are not motivated to tell meaning in Tamil because it become habituated to the kids. They will learn. It will take time. Yes, ma'am, it will take time. But see, I am explaining 10 or 20 words. But surely the kids will learn two to three words in a class. If they are listening, if they were listening carefully, surely they will learn 2 to 3 words daily. So by practice only, they will learn. It is not necessary that today itself they have to learn. It is not necessary. By practice only kids will learn, ma'am. No problem. We will support every day and every time.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, they are in less interested. That's why I send this message.
Yes, no problem, ma'am. Because yes, Hindi is new language for them. We understand, but it will take time, ma'am. It will take. See, you will after 2 to 3 years, parents will tell yes, kids are able to learning, but they have to practice. See, today we learn meaning 20 to 25. At least kids will learn to 2 to 5 words. If daily they will learning 2 to 5 new words, they will learn, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, dear. Now we will going to Abhyas, practice worksheet. Okay. So, see, you have to daily practice at least half an hour. Okay. See, if you will practice today, you have any doubt in the next class, you can ask the doubt. Okay, dears. Yes. Otherwise, you can put a message to Trisha ma'am. She will clear the doubt. Okay. So you have to practice. Okay. So now we are going to do Abhyas. Abhyas माने क्या है? Abhyas माने क्या है?
Exercise.
Yes, very good. Practice worksheet exercise. Very good. लेसन पाठ का नाम क्या है? पाठ का नाम आई वांट आंसर इन द चैट बॉक्स डियर. पाठ का नाम क्या है? Answer in the chat box. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, dear. Yes, dear. See the Vilom Shabd. Vilom Shabd. Vilom means opposites. Shabd means word. Okay. विलोम शब्द माने क्या है? Opposite words. Okay. You will learn in English, right? Up, down. Yes. So first I will explain one by one. Okay, dears. So while reading, I want all my children to repeat after me. Okay. The first one is pass. So what happened? See in that near the jungle. Yes, jungle के पास. So पास माने क्या है? Near. पास माने क्या है? Repeat after me. पास माने क्या है? Near. दूर. दूर. दूर माने near का opposite क्या है? Far. So far को हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? दूर. पास, दूर. सेकेंड वन क्या है? हंसना. हा में चंद्र बिंदु. हा स ना, हंसना. हंसना मीन्स so he started laughing. Yes, Gideon started laughing, right? हंसना. हंसना means laughing. So laughing का opposite क्या है? रोना. Crying. Yes. हंसना माने laughing. रोना means crying. Okay. So what is the third one? Bahar. Bahar. So after crocodile released that leg of the jackal, so what happened? He came outside. Gideon came outside from the river. Bahar aa gaya. Yes. So bahar means out. Okay. Outside. Out. अंदर. Inside. अंदर माने क्या है? Inside. बाहर means outside.
Your voice is not audible, ma'am. Kirti, ma'am. कीर्ति मैम, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
ma'am, you why? No audible, ma'am.
Yes, Kirti ma'am. In the blanks. खाली स्थान भरिए. खाली स्थान भरिए. Fill in the blanks. Children, the first one. I want all my kids kindly mute your mic. Nandana, kindly mute your mic, Nandana. Nandana 1E. Yes, Nandana. देखिए बच्चों, खाली स्थान भरिए. फर्स्ट वन क्या है? Fill in the blanks. First one, हंसने. हंसने. What is the meaning of हंसने? Kindly text in your chat box. हंसने बोलने से क्या है? हंसने. Yes, laughing. Very good. And second option, मगर. What is the meaning of मगर? मगर क्या है बच्चों? इंग्लिश में टेक्स्ट करिए. टेक्स्ट इन योर मैसेज इन इंग्लिश. मगर means what, children? Yes, crocodile. Very good. I'm getting lot of answers. Superb, children. Okay, last one, pani. Pani means what? See the third option, pani. Yes, water. Okay, so I'm going to say the first question. I'm going to read the first one. So I want answer from you children. Kindly text in your message. Okay. Kirti ma'am, fill in the blanks. खाली स्थान रखिए. Previous slide ma'am. Kirti ma'am, kindly change the previous slide. पीछे वाला, अदरवाइज स्टॉप शेयरिंग दे दीजिए मैम. एक डैश नदी में रहता था. डैश में क्या है? चिल्ड्रन यू कैन रीड. एक डैश में, एक डैश नदी में रहता था. यस, विच एनिमल इन द रिवर? क्रोकोडाइल, राइट? वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन. क्रोकोडाइल को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? मगर. मगर मीन्स क्रोकोडाइल. वेरी गुड, सुपर. ओके, नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन. वेरी गुड. सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखिए. वह डैश से बाहर आ गया. डैश में क्या आएगा बच्चों? वह डैश से बाहर आ गया. यस, कहां से बाहर आ गया? यस, पानी, वाटर. वाटर से पानी. वह पानी से बाहर आ गया. वाटर. वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रन. ओके, नाउ यू कैन सी द थर्ड वन. गीदड़ डैश लगा. डैश में क्या आएगा? Try to read children the third option. Yes, laugh. We started laughing, right? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. गीदड़ हंसने लगा. I want all my kids repeat after me now. First one, एक मगर नदी में रहता था. एक मगर नदी में रहता था. एंड सेकेंड ऑप्शन, वह पानी से बाहर आ गया. कहां से बाहर आ गया? पानी से बाहर आ गया. लास्ट वन, गीदड़ हंसने लगा. गीदड़ हंसने लगा. He started laughing, right children? गीदड़ हंसने लगा. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन देखेंगे. नेक्स्ट क्या है? सही या गलत लिखिए. सही या गलत लिखिए मीन्स ट्रू एंड फॉल्स. See children, if your answer is true, you can write in the chat box T. And if your answer is false, you can write in your chat box F. Okay, true or false. देखिए फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मगर नदी में रहता था. This is true or false? I'm going to read one more time children. मगर नदी में रहता था. Yes, this is true or false? मगर नदी में रहता था. Crocodile is yes, true. Kindly mute your mic, dear. So you can write here T. True. Very good, children. Now second देखिए, गीदड़. Yes, jackal, right? गीदड़ नहीं डरा. This is true or false? The gidad, jackal is not fearing. This is correct, true or false children? गीदड़ नहीं डरा. डरा means fear. Yes. Yes, dear. This is true or false? Little bit louder. True. Very good, children. ये क्या है? सही. See, jackal is not fearing, right? He was laughing only. So you can write here true. And now last question. गीदड़ रोने लगा. See, children, गीदड़ रोने लगा. This is true or false?
சில தேனீரோட பொறுத்து முன்னாடி வந்து சொல்ல வரேன். அவங்க அவனை தலையில தூக்கி வச்சு கொண்டுடுவாங்க.
Mute your mic. गीदड़ रोने लगा. See, started crying, children. This is true or false? Jackal started to crying. This is true or false? He was laughing, right? So you can write here false. See, jackal is laughing, but here what we say? Jackal is started to crying. This is false.
False.